Hey guys, welcome. So today I decided I want to do a quick get ready with me chit chat video of me doing my go-to makeup look as a mom. So if you're a mom like me, not everybody deals with this, but trying to get ready, dealing with a newborn and a toddler is not easy. Exhibit A. So I wanted to do a beginner makeup friendly video as a mom trying to get ready and having to deal with a child. Yes. Can you stop? So I'm trying to do this quick because my son has to get ready for school. He's already ready, but his bus will be here soon. And I wanted to do this quick video during the time I wait for his bus to come pick him up. So come on, let's get it going. Can you put down my stuff? So let me get my makeup bag. So for some reason I cannot get my makeup mirror to come on. So I had to get my studio lights. And my favorite brushes that I use are all from e.l.f. So I love me my health products. So let's find my brow brush. Okay. So I'm gonna need my brow wand. Move.
Oh, no more. Hey, mommy. Take the day and kick.
Like I said, being a mom. There you go. So I'm trying to distract him with my phone cover. He keeps dropping it, so.
Go. Mommy.
I don't need that yet, baby. Can you move? Pick that up for mommy.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're
not picking it up for mommy. Pick up that off the floor.
Mommy.
Thank you. No, baby. That is not for my hair. Babe. Give me this. Let it go.
I think I did it.
So, I don't know a lot about makeup. So, that's one of the reasons why I keep my packaging that my brushes come in. Because on the package, if you don't know about makeup, it tells you what the name of the brush is. So, you know exactly what to do with it. So, I'm going to use my comb and my brow brush just to help define and get my brows to stay one place. So this beat is going to be very simple because I'm just going to the grocery store. So as a stay-at-home mom, that's one of my tasks is to go grocery shopping every other week. Just so I can make sure my family always have something to eat. Okay, so now we're gonna clean up the brows. And I like to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in a number GC984 Toffee. Now, this is a bit lighter than my skin color, so I only put it on the bottom so that it's not too obvious that my face color is different. Okay, so that one is empty. It's time to stock up. Jeremiah, can you please, excuse me, you are about to knock over stuff. So I like to use my brow brush, and I just,
Come on. Nancy.
Mommy don't need that, baby. So I do need to get my brows done. Jeremiah, can you please stop touching stuff? Did you finish eat? Go finish eat before your bus, the yellow bus gets here. So in the morning, it's a struggle to get him to eat. He's a very picky eater. So trying to get him to eat is not very easy. Okay. So I got baby number 1 to go away for now as he's coming back. Baby number 2 is not having it. So let's try to do this. Yes, baby gecko. Move, baby, move. Probably was a bad idea trying to do a video, right? Okay. So let's. So I got this sponge from Bella Doll. I did a pop-up shop with her, and I wanted to support another black woman trying to, not even just a black woman, but another woman trying to, start a business. So I got this from her and some lashes, which only last me 2 days because I'm not the lash type of girl. It just feels weird to me. Okay, so now that the bottom is looking nice. Yes, baby. Okay, so let's do this. So the one thing I always forget to put on my face when I'm doing my makeup is my primer. Now I'm out of makeup primer, but I had this makeup gift set that I got, and it had a little primer in it. It's not what I normally would use, but use what I have till I get what I need, right? Trying to feed him, but he's very nosy, so he doesn't stay on his food without trying to look everywhere. And I have to go fix my wig because it's falling off. to let that just sit for a minute. Now, because I'm just going to the grocery store, I don't need to put on a bunch of fancy stuff. Like I said, I'm just doing a small little go-to look for when I am trying to just let my face look a little bit prettier, but still being in mom mode at the same time. So I'm gonna get, okay, where did he put it? Okay, so I don't know where he just put my pencil. Oh, okay.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, baby.
I did it.
Did you finish eating?
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Mommy. I didn't eat.
Okay, so normally I make a wing, but it's kind of hard to do that with a baby in the hands. So I don't like using a foundation really because I'm not good at foundation and I don't like my skin having too many different colors because I'm not very good at blending. So I do what I can, but what I see works best for me. Can you move? You in my way. What works best for me that I use as a foundation is my pressed powder.
Hey, Mommy.
Jeremiah, go eat, baby. Okay, I can't see when you turn it like that. No, put down my glasses. Can you put down my glasses before you break it? And he never really listens to me. Give me my glasses.
Yeah.
Can you move?
Mommy.
So, one thing I like to use to help my brows stay in place.
Mom.
Yes.
Hey, Mom.
It is called Brow This Way. It's a brow styling gel.
Red.
Stop.
Book.
That's pink.
Pink.
So that is pretty much it. Then I normally like to just put on a little lip gloss if I can find it. So I'm gonna just put this little simple little thing on. My son keep messing with my phone, so if you see, keep moving. Leave it alone, baby. Can you tell I'm so happy when he goes to school? I miss him, but I'm happy.
Hey, Mom.
Huh?
I did it. Anytime. With it. Jack.
And that's it. So, like I said, it's pretty basic for the grocery store, which is what I'm trying to go for. My brows are always looking nice, but they do need to be waxed. So, say hi. Say hi.
Oh, hi. Hi, Day.
Okay, so thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.